Just for you, here's a Quilt Conversations live Q&A highlight. This is the miracle marking powder you put inside this pad. Here's the pad. You can see some of the powder there on the bottom. This powder has certain properties that allows you not only to transfer through the stencil, but once it's transferred, it will not move. It will stay in place. We will not be able to use these marking tools to mark this. You really will not see it. You won't see this purple tip. It'll be hard to follow the stitching. See, you can't see that, right? Let's try the blue. The blue can't see it, so now I can't stitch it. I need another method. So what is that method? A pounce pad. And this pounce pad is filled with unique chalk. This powder has certain properties that allows you not only to transfer through the stencil, but once it's transferred, it will not move. It will stay in place. And the only way to remove it is with a hot iron and a little bit of steam. Swipe it across so that the powder goes in between the stencil. Now, I always like to just check before I move it to make sure the powder was where I needed it to be. And yep, there it is. Just a little bit more so that you can see it on camera. All right, I think that's pretty good. Now I can follow those lines and stitch. Now remember, I told you that I can do that. I can rub this. The powder won't come off. That's it. Look at that. I am rubbing this fabric. You can stitch this without it disappearing. It will not leave the fabric until you hit it with a hot iron and some steam.